I am Abdul Mojid, Senior Assistant Teacher, Chittagong Uriya Patijar School and College, Rangadia, Anwara, Chittagong. Welcome to all of the students. Dear students, we are in danger. Epidemic Corona has grasped our lives. It is not only national but also global problem. We cannot go out and cannot take part in our institution class. So we have to participate in our online class to continue our studies. Our classes is English for today, class 9 and 10, unit 6, lesson 2. Look at the flags and what are the countries' names of these flags? Can you guess? Yes. Bhutan, Sri Lanka, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan. They are our neighboring countries. Look at the following pictures and guess who they are and what their names are. Mahila Jordan, Murali Dhar, Kumar Shankara. They all are Sri Lankan cricketers. What can you see? So today we will read about our neighbors country Sri Lanka. It is located in the Indian Ocean, just off the southeastern coast of India. Learning outcomes. After completing these lessons, students will be able to read, comprehend and summarize text, ask and answering questions, write a paragraph about some interesting places of a country. Look at the picture carefully and discuss with your friend. What do we say when any new person come to us? Usually we say welcome. Do you know what do Sri Lankan people say at this situation? Sri Lankan people say Ayubuan. Ayubuan means may you have the gift of long life. Ayubuan means may you have the gift of long life. What can you see in the picture? We can see 3 pictures. Now I want to discuss some difficult vocabs from the text. You should follow the text carefully and write down in your notebook. Teardrop. What do you know about teardrop? The nickname of Sri Lanka is teardrop of India. Fjord. Do you know fjord? Yes. Can you make a sentence with the word fjord? Princess Diana used to wear a gown made of fjord. Spicy. Can you make a sentence with the word spicy? Spicy make our curry delicious. The nicknames of Sri Lanka: Teardrop of India, Serendip, Pearl of the Indian Ocean. Land area of Sri Lanka: Sri Lanka measures about 415 kilometers from north to south, 220 kilometers from east to west, and total land area of Sri Lanka about 65,600 square kilometers. Population of Sri Lanka. What do you know about Sri Lankan population? Yes, there are about 20 million people in Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a multi-religious, multiracial, and multilingual country. Ethnic groups in Sri Lanka. Look at the picture of ethnic groups of Sri Lanka and guess what are their names. The four major ethnic groups are Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan Moros or Muslims, Sinhalese, Sri Lanka Tamils, and Indian Tamils. You can see in the picture. Look at the picture and guess who are they? There are fifth ethnic group named Vedas, originally inhabitants of Sri Lanka. They all are original people of Sri Lanka. They are well known Vedas. Economy of Sri Lanka. Look at the above picture and discuss it about some important elements of Sri Lanka. Dear students, read the passage carefully in your textbook and try to answer the question that have given section C and D. Look at the map, then write down the location and shape of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is located in the Indian Ocean, shaped like a teardrop. Now, fill in each gaps, suitable word of your own based on the information from the text. If you go to visit Sri Lanka, you will be with traditional greetings, Ayuban. You have to try to fill in the gaps from the text and you should read the text carefully. Dear students, I will give you a homework. Write a paragraph on some of the interesting places to visit in Sri Lanka. Write down your notebook, then try to write paragraph to read the context carefully. Thank you very much, all of the students from our online class. I have to advise you, stay home, stay safe to continue the studies. Thank you.